Hello and welcome to a special edition of the Family Table. Well, this is special drinks edition. So today we'll be making a Guyanese style ginger beer. So I know a lot of people who love ginger beer, by a lot of the can type, especially if you live in, like, let's say the UK or America. So now let's take it to something a bit more traditional and packs a lot of flavor and is extremely awesome. So this is my recipe for a Guyanese style ginger beer. So I do hope you guys enjoy it and make sure you try it, because I know. But yes, but just before we get started, just make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video, and at the end, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see me make next. Now let's get into it. Okay, so for our ginger beer, we are going to need 600 grams of freshly grated ginger. So what you want to do is just wash and peel your ginger and just use a regular size box grater. And you can just use the side in which you normally would grate your carrots on. Going to need 7 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, some fresh limes. So I have 3 limes here. I'm hoping that I can get a tablespoon of juice out of each, so about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and sugar to taste. And I will be using white granulated sugar, and you can just adjust to your own liking. And also you will need some water, so I'm going to be using about 400 liters of water in this recipe. The more intense of flavor you'd like from your ginger, you can obviously add more ginger or add less water. So if you want this super intense, you can probably use 3 liters of water or 2.5 with the same amount, 600 grams of ginger. But just for personal taste, I do not like my ginger beer too strong, but I'll show you what we do next. So I've put on the 4 liters of water in a large pot to boil, because we want to bring this up to a very high temperature. I'm just going to add the cloves and the cinnamon and just cover it and allow this to boil and allow the flavors of that spice, so that cinnamon and clove, to infuse with the water. And then we are going to add the ginger to this, and then I'll explain the next step. Okay, so now at this point you can see that the water is boiling. It has slightly changed color due to the cinnamon and the cloves, and you can just smell the aroma. It's just literally taking over the entire kitchen. At this point you can actually turn the stove off, or you can turn it down, because what we are going to do is to put the ginger in it and allow it to steep. We're not really looking to boil it. So I'm just going to add the ginger now. So now that the ginger has been added, you can see the color has changed. So you just want to allow this to steep overnight for at least 12 hours. And the longer you allow this to steep, the stronger it becomes. That's one thing with ginger beer. Cover this and leave this, and then in the morning or the next day we will sweeten this and add the lime juice, and I'll go over the process with that for you. So yeah. So now I allowed mine to steep for about 24 hours. So after that, all you need to do is just to strain the contents, get rid of all of the solid bits, because you just need the liquid. So all the grated ginger and the spice, you just want to discard that and just keep the liquid soft. So now at this point, all we are going to do is to add the lemon juice and add the sugar to this, and then it'll be ready for use. So I have my lemon juice here, so I'm just going to add it to my ginger beer. And when the lemon juice is added, you'll see that the color, it changes a bit. So it was much darker Before we've added the lime juice, now it is a lighter shade of brown. And then you're just gonna sweeten to taste. I have about 2.5 cups of sugar for mine. For some people this might be a bit too sweet, or some it might not even be sweet enough. It just will all depends on how sweet for your personal taste you'd like it. So now we just add the sugar to this. And you just basically just turn and sweeten it. So now that we have sweetened our ginger beer, it is all complete and ready for drinking. So just put in a container for storing. So I have a large water bottle that I've placed mine in. Have some in a glass with some ice so you guys can see outside of the bottle the texture, the color, and how beautiful it looks. So I want you guys to try this recipe and let me know what you think. So for all my thirsty people on the channel, make some of this. Quench that thirst. No need to be thirsty. Thirsty. Okay, no, but on a serious note, I hope you guys do enjoy this, try this recipe, because I really love it, and I do think you will enjoy it. So try it and let me know what you think, and enjoy. And please do not forget to make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I will be dropping more videos every week. Make sure you like this video and you comment and let me know what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Just keep sharing and let everyone continue to come enjoy all the goodness we have going on over here. So chain getting paid over here. Thirsty, baby, bring it over. Is you thirsty? Time to quench our thirst. See ya.